Hello class, Miss Chastain here. I hope that your week is going well. I just wanted to check in and make sure that we're all on the same page. So this is the home screen for Alex. So here in the bottom uh, left column, you'll see that this week we're supposed to be working on Unit 1B objectives, and it looks like I have 13 out of 20 topics left to go, and you can see they're due Sunday at 11:59. So right here on the left-hand side, it'll tell you what your goal is and when your deadline for that goal. So to start your objectives, of course, we know we go to Start My Path, and it shows us a Learn page and explains to us how to do the problems. And then also on the left-hand side, there's a couple of tools. Sometimes there'll be a video here on the left-hand side, access to the ebook, and then right here also on the left-hand side, there is an envelope that is the message center, and that is where you can send me emails directly through Alex. So let's say we start the question and we get in here and we realize, after, of course, we've watched the videos in Blackboard, because everybody is watching those videos in Blackboard first, because that's where we learn the objectives. That's the lecture. So go to Blackboard first, watch the video, and now, let's say I've watched the video, but I still don't understand. Then you can click right here on Message Center, and we'll actually send a picture to me of the problem that you're working on. It'll attach the file right here. So you don't have to type in the problem. You just need to type in maybe what part you're having trouble with or what you think. It'll actually, if you type the answer in, it'll send me that. Basically, it sends me a picture of the screen that's behind this. So, or if you have some work that you've been working through the problem and you just still can't figure it out, if you'll send me your work, you can attach it, and I can look through your work and see what you're doing wrong and send you back a video similar to this one. Some other things I want to make sure that you're aware of here in the top left-hand corner, when you click here on assignments, you can see right now there's only the quiz that's open, and notice that you can take this quiz an unlimited number of times. So you can take it as many times as you want to help you prepare for that first test, anytime between now and the 21st of September. So we still got a while before the test hits, but I just wanted to show you that. And then a couple other things I want to show you. I'm going to go ahead and start. By the way, it records your best score, so if you take it multiple times, it'll only count your highest score. So we would type in our answer here, and I know I'm getting this wrong. I'm just wanting to show you a couple of things. So I'm going to type in that one. Again, I know that's wrong. Notice also it counts down how much time you have. Each test is timed. So again, I know I'm getting these wrong. I'm just typing something in, and I'm going to submit. And so what you can do after you submit, for the practice, you can review immediately what you've missed. So you go to report here, and then you can see all the ones, which of course I missed all of them, but you can see the ones you missed, and you can see an explanation of why, you can see the correct answer. And there's also, let's see, right here, this little looking glass, looks like a pair of glasses. It'll show you what the correct answer is and the work to get there. And if you take it multiple times, you can click on this drop down arrow and it'll show you, and you can review every time you missed it. So that's a good feature right there. And if you miss one, you don't know why, if you don't understand why, you can email me and say, hey, Miss Chastain, on attempt 2, I missed number 7. Can you explain to me why I missed that one? And I'll go through it with you. So this is a really good feature to help you prepare for the test. Now, let's say that I'm going to review like the night before the test. Then you can come right here and you can click on the grade, and it will take you back to that review page that we were just on. Now you can't click on the assignment, right? I don't know if you noticed that. The assignment was also blue. If I click on the assignment, it's going to take me to a new practice test. Remember, because I can take that, or quiz 1, I can take that multiple times. But if you click on the grade, it'll show you the ones you missed. And that's going to also be true for the test itself. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is the grade book. So some of you have been emailing me saying, I don't know if it recorded my grade. Well, if you come right here to the grade book, you'll see whether it recorded your grade. You can see that I didn't get any of Unit 1A right, but I got 65% so far on Unit 1B. And notice that I still have time left, right, for Unit 1B. It's not due until the 8th. So it will become permanent as soon as the 8th hits. And that is true for your score as well here at the top. It updates after the deadline. So even though I've got a 65 right here, you can see my grade is still a 0. That's because this grade right here is currently not being calculated in my overall score. And then again, here is the quiz that I just took. I made a 0 on, and test 1 is due. It is not started yet, so don't worry about that, and don't worry about this date. That's for another class. But anyway, you can see all of. Now, again, you can't review anything here. The only place you can review stuff is in your assignment tab. And again, you click on the grade there, and it'll let you review. All right, I think that's all I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you the email and the assignments where you can review, and then the grade book. So that should be it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. I'd be happy to assist you in any way I can, and I hope you have a fabulous weekend.